Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how we can fix Sync is currently experiencing problems on your Android mobile. So, when you face this error, usually the Google products which are like Play Store or YouTube won't work for you. So, I also just faced this error since 1 hour and now I successfully resolved it. I'll show you how you can resolve it. And see here, when I'm on mobile data, not on Wi-Fi data, remember this this I face this error like sync is currently experiencing problems. So under your phone settings, if you check on users and accounts, then if you check on Google, at the bottom see here sync is currently facing problems, it will be back shortly. What you need to do is you need to fix this by turning on Wi-Fi data. If there is no Wi-Fi available for you, just connect to your nearest Wi-Fi where it is possible and turn off mobile data. And at right top corner, manually click on sync now. What this action will do is using your Wi-Fi data, your phone will try to sync it manually, then your error gets resolved. And once the error gets resolved, you can switch back to your mobile data, and then these problems get resolved like sync is currently experiencing problems. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.